Hi, baby. How's your day? Huh? I left you here alone in my room, in our room, because, yes, I did left you. Dahil, nagpunta si mama sa grocery. Dahil naubusan ka na ng food. Yes, you ran out of food. But that's okay kasi meron na ulit tayo. What did you do when I was gone? Yeah. What did you do? Did you sleep? Ah, you did. Oh, yes. That's a slowly blink, blink. Ibig sabihin, you sleep. Okay. Oh, nag-slow blinking ka? Yun ba yung yes mo? Okay. So, Mama has another question. Are you a good girl today? I don't think so. That is a suspicious look. Oh, no. What have you done? What have you done? You did nothing? Okay. Okay, I believe you, my baby. Of course, I do believe my baby Mavis. Yes, that is a good girl. Yep. Did you play? After you sleep? Nag-play ka ba? Nag-run-run ka na naman? Okay, that's a good girl. Ibig sabihin, happy cat, tired cat is a happy cat. And that is, Mavis is happy. No. Are you happy? Can you blink? Yes, a good girl. Oh, good girl. Oh, happy.